Today's recipe is a whiskey glazed cedar plank salmon. And that's right, we're going to be using Mowi cedar plank salmons. Now, if you've never cooked with cedar plank, it's really easy. Often what you do is you place the salmon on top of the cedar plank, throw it on your grill, and it just infuses all that smokiness from the plank into your salmon. Okay, let's start off by making the whiskey glaze. We're going to start off with some brown sugar, honey, garlic powder, onion powder, little teriyaki sauce, whiskey, and you want something acidic in there like lemon juice. Now let this bubble away until you have a nice thick consistency. This is a delicious barbecue sauce that can be enjoyed as is, or again, you can go ahead and spread it on top of your salmon. Place it directly on your hot grill, close it up, and in a few minutes you're going to notice that the cedar plank has actually infused into the salmon itself. Add some more of the whiskey glaze halfway through, and you're set. Mowi cedar plank salmon is perfect on its own, but with this whiskey glaze, you're going to be in for a treat.